Hello, my name is Lisa Martinez, and this is my personal goals presentation. So for personal information, I was born and raised here in Topeka, Kansas. I was a Spanish teacher for 17 years in USD 345 up north. In 2022, I had the pleasure of serving on the Kansas Teacher of the Year team representing Region 2. And following that, I was hired as the assistant principal for Scott Dual Language Elementary School in Topeka Public Schools, USD 501. I am married with 3 kiddos, Louis, Gianni, and Mally Nye. Louis is 10, 4th grader, Gianni is 8, he's a 3rd grader, and Mally Nye is 7, in a 1st grader, and they do all go to the school that I am working in. As far as educational background, I went to Topeka Public Schools myself. I went to Crestview Elementary, go Roadrunners. It's not around anymore. It's called Topeka Collegiate now. And then I was at French Middle School, go Falcons, Topeka West High, go Chargers. And then I moved on to Washburn University, go Bods, majoring in Spanish and secondary education. I got my first master's degree from Baker University, and that was just in education. And then I got another master's degree from the University of Southern Miss, and that was in teaching of language, language acquisition, and Spanish. And now here I am doing the non-degree Ed Leadership Program, seeking licensure here hopefully this summer. In regard to personal goals, they've changed quite a lot just since last May, because I really thought I was going to spend my entire career as a Spanish teacher, and then just in one day everything changed. So in the next 5 years, I want to achieve a healthier work-life balance than what I have now. In the next 6 to 10 years, I want to maintain that work-life balance and really prioritize it and successfully parent 3 teenagers. And then beyond 10 years, I want to continue to maintain and sustain that work-life balance, start thinking about retirement, and support my kids however I can. Professional goals. That's really hard for me, and it's kind of an unknown just because I never really thought I would leave the classroom. But here I am. So when in the next 5 years, I would really like to master the assistant principal role at Scott Dual Language. I would like to find ways to make the role itself more efficient so that we can grow how we track and monitor language progress and acquisition in our students. And then within the next 6 to 10 years, I hope to still be at Scott, maybe do some consulting. I was meant to do adjunct work teaching graduate Spanish courses starting this year, but then with the new job, I wasn't able to do that. And that's something that I think I would really like to do, is still in some way teach Spanish. Beyond 10 years, consulting, adjunct, I would love to somehow be a teacher of teachers. So those are just some long-term goals. So why Fort Hays State? Well, I'm super busy, and so the flexibility of the program was a must. I've done most of this program at night when my kids are asleep, and if it weren't for that possibility, I don't think I would have been able to do it. The length of the program was something that I was really interested in. Having a few masters already and never really having thought about going back to school again, it was really important for me to have a very solid end date, so that I wouldn't feel like I was just in school forever and ever and taking all this time away from my family. I love how this program prepares us for the test. I am excited to take the test so that I can see how close it is, but I really, in looking over the study guide for the test, the companion guide, and looking over how this program is built, it just really seems to align across the board, and that is something I'm highly interested in, something that is going to be a direct correlation to what I need to do in order to achieve the license I need. And then cost, it was pretty cost effective compared to some of the other things I looked at. So my initial expectations, I want a program that works with my schedule, leads me directly to my goal, and supports me as I grow. And I think that I have found that during my time in Fort Hays, and I hope to continue to experience the high quality education and support as I finish out this semester. Thank you so much.